Have you ever had a bad day? You wake up in the morning, you're on your way to the bathroom, you take your morning dump, you stub your toe right on the edge of the coffee table. I don't know. Maybe you cut yourself shaving. Now you're walking around all morning with bloody pieces of tissue all over your face. Maybe you get a flat tire. Typical bad day. Well, I'll tell you what. That's nothing compared to what we're going to be going through today. So sit back. Let's play Sons of the Forest. What's going on, fisheye? Kelvin? Alright.
Bicycle was from 500 feet below ground. 7 months ago. You're not going to find anyone alive down there.
Oh, nice tat. Uh-oh. Hold on, guys. This isn't good. Great. Stuck in a tree. Sweet. Long ways up here. Ah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, you're dead. Yep. Ah. Ouch. Ouch. Let's not make that mistake. Or now what? We are gonna make that same mistake. Yeah. That did not feel good.
Now, who invited you here?
Hey, whoa there. Whoa. Ow. Yeah, man. I have a headache now. Who was that a-hole? Yes, well, I'd say this is an emergency, so, yeah. Nice looking game, nice looking place. Huh. Isn't so bad. Good clean air out here. This isn't too bad. Yeah, I like it. Damn, dude, shut up. Trying to have a little moment out here. You know? Come on, man. Get up. That's Kelvin. Wake up, buddy. Come on. Yeah. That's not good. Come on. Snap out of it. Yeah. There we go. What's up, pal? Follow me. Oh man, what kind of an a-hole? You got that, Calvin? All right. First things first. Let's open this thing up. Alright, good. We're gonna GPS, that's good. Alright. Got a little axe out here. What's up, Kel? Hey man, help me out, dude. We gotta go around and we gotta try to get all these resources out of these boxes, man. Let's do it. Yeah, so we gotta try to get as much stuff as we can. We're gonna need it. Good, good, good. Ammo. Flares. Anything else over here? Let's see here. Anything else? Batteries, that's good. Alright. Let's figure out where we're at here. Let's pull up this, yeah, here we go. So we want to, we're gonna go to those purple dots that you see on the map there. They have some resources that we do need still. Flashlight, modern axe, you know, things like that. So I think the first thing we're gonna do is kind of head over to that orange dot. Yeah, let's do that. And we'll pick up as much stuff we find on the ground along the way, you know, sticks, rocks, stuff like that. We're gonna need all of this stuff, so put it back. Let's just do that. Coming, Calvin? Alright, he's coming. Rabbit. What's up, Rabbit? That's nice. What is that? Let's just keep going. Rainy out. I have played this game before. It's been a little while, but I have played it. We are playing this on normal today. I did change a couple of things in the setting. Just made the days longer and the seasons longer. Everything else is the same. Oh, golf cart. Shall we take it? Shall we take it? No. Because I have to go through the woods, and those things, they don't like driving through the woods. So we will not be doing that. No. This wouldn't be a bad spot to build, really. Plenty of trees around. Water, but it's kind of down there a little ways. It wouldn't be a bad spot. Nice and flat. Now let's keep moving. Come on, Cal. We're gonna keep moving, buddy. I wish they were coming up onto this spot here. Yep. Alright. GPS. What we got here? Puffton refuses to acknowledge what this place is, not even counting what my team has been finding on the other side of the island. Survivors going missing, our workers turned up dead. If he won't deal with the situation, I will. Well, I think in your state, you won't be. What else we got? Alright, let's get the lighter out. Let's go check this place out. Okay. Skin pouch. What else we got here? Man, I need the flashlight. It's dark down here. Cloth, always good. Rope. What else? More rope, that's good. Rope. A rope everywhere in here. Pretty. Ah, nice. The glider launcher. Good, 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 good. Let's get out of here. That was it. Nothing else. Still around, Calvin? Alright. Let's get over to that purple marker that's up that way. Let's see if we can find this. Well, Kelvin, where the hell is he going? I guess he can't swim. All right. Well, see you when you get here, buddy. Yeah, so basically our goal today is just to collect as many resources as we can. This game, you've got a couple of days before the locals, the cannibals, really start messing with you, so it's important to try to get as much accomplished as we can. And I see some red smoke up here, that's good. That's one of ours. He's got his flare going. Hey, buddy. Yeah. He didn't make it. All right, we got some stuff. Tarp, batteries, light bulbs. I like it. What else we got here? More tarp, more tape. Ah, a modern axe. Nice. Nice. Taking it. What else we got there? More stuff. Come on. Cheers. Ah, the pot. Awesome. MRE, taking it. Soda. Grenades. Vodka. C4. More flares. Alright, let's save this. Yeah, new save. I'm gonna call it. Let's just call it YouTube. Jesus, Brian, spell already. Alright. Got everything here. Let's get our health up, man. Let's pop one of these bad boys. Excellent. Well, I guess head over to this. I'll head over. Let's go. Up and over. Come on, get up there. There's pups everywhere. There he is. Alright, let's go up top, cut him down. I think on our journey we need to try to find a spot to set up base. I want to leave Calvin behind while we go exploring to start gathering some materials. Man, is it gonna stop raining? Holy crap. We'll stop. We'll take it. Alright, let's go see. Come on, Calvin. We're down over here, buddy. Let's see what kind of goodies this guy has on him. I know he's got a GPS marker. Oh yeah, flashlight, that's gonna come in handy. Excellent. Whoa, it's Virginia. That was quick. Could have barely been in the game. What's up? Alright, she's dancing. I guess if you watch her dance, she, I guess, I don't know, likes you faster? I think that's what I heard. We'll just watch this for a second. And, yep, 3 arms just swaying. That's creepy. Alright, let's go. We're gonna leave her alone. I gotta mess with her. So I think what I want to do, let's see where we're at. I want to head down to that beach straight ahead. And if we can find a spot, maybe down along here, we'll set up camp. Maybe we will do that. We're looking for a nice kind of a flat area with plenty of resources around, near water. Back to this. Yeah, let's just head straight down this way. What do I want to do here? Yeah. Let's see here. Got a little water source here. Let's see. Pretty decently flat area right along here. Let's just take a quick peek at this. It's not a lot of trees though. Be a good spot. I don't. It's pretty. Just curious, guys. Okay. Well, let's just keep going. We'll find a spot, Calvin. Don't worry, buddy. Where are you, buddy? Hey, you made it. Hey. Okay. Batteries. Okay, we'll take it. This is a dig spot. Yep, we need to shovel. We'll get it eventually. Batteries, resin. Godwin, come on, buddy. Hop in. Let's go for a ride. We're gonna head down to the beach. Maybe, if I don't crash. These golf carts, man, they're tough to control. Oh, sorry, ran over a skunk. Hey, what do we got here? Let's go check this place out. A little camp here. Thank you. A lot of flies around here, man. God damn. Stinks too. Whew. Oh, a night V, night 5. These can be fun to drive too. All right, where the hell are we? All right, we're almost at the beach. You know what? I'm gonna leave this here. We're gonna take the golf cart. Come on, Calvin, let's go. Come on, hurry up. Let's go, buddy. Get in. Come on, dude. Get your ass in. All right, let's go. Yeah. Haven't run into any cannibals yet. That's good. I'm sure that's gonna change. Coming up on another call. Oh, we got more red smoke, man. Let's go check that out. Moose. You made it out, Cal. Come on, let's go up here, buddy. Hey, what's up, pal? Dude, you're standing up. Nice, man. Okay. Huh. More pills. Grappling hook. What else, man? Shit. Grenade C4. Full up on C4 already. Let's see. Is that it? I'm already take that. Alright, let's save it. Alright, Calvin, we're off, buddy. We're pretty much at the beach. Let's take the golf cart. We're gonna cross country it back down in there. Coming? Calvin, let's go. Calvin, whatever your name is. Come on, man. We're taking a hard left through the woods. Hard left through the woods. If we make it. Oh shit. Sorry about that. Let's go. Keep it going. I hate this thing. Let's go. Come on, you got it. Let's go off the cliff. Let's go. This stupid thing. I mean, it's indestructible. That's a good thing about it. It is it. Dude, we're barrel rolling all the way down. You all right? Al, we made it, right? All right, let's go. We got smoke over here. Where are we, man? That's a cannibal camp. I think we want to go this way. Where the hell are we? Yeah. Well, I think we might be huffing it on foot, dude. Dang it. All right, Calvin. Let's park this bad boy right over here. Let's go. On foot, pal. Come on. Yeah, it's going in the ocean. It's all right. Let's go. Come on. Oh, turtle shell. Nice. And a spear. Didn't have to make it. Calvin, you're going to have to go around, man. I don't know what you're going to do. Are you going to be able to come this way? Nope. Got more red smoke over here. Dude, I could have drove that through there, man, I think. Should I go get it? This isn't very deep. Yeah, we're going to do that. Calvin probably already took off. Calvin, come on, man. I hate to do this, bud, but I need it. Need that shell. Need that meat. Alright, come on, Calvin. Let's back this up out of here. Get in, bud. We're going four-wheeling. You can live, turtle. Oh yeah, no problem. We made it, Cal. Can we get up over these rocks? Probably not. Oh, right here. We get up right here. See you later. We'll come back. Yeah, Jesus. Ah, man. Pull up on everything. Oysters. Alright. Ammo, tape, always need tape. I know you're gonna die. There's a machete for you. We'll take it. Hot. I need it. Dude, we want to come back for that. Good stuff, man. Dude, what? Come on, let's have a drink, man. Might as well. On the tarp. Saving it again. Why not? We're here. Alright, cleared this place out. Let's go, Calvin. Kelvin. I don't know why I keep calling you Calvin. Kelvin, let's go. Coming? Dude, come on, get in. I know, you got a big smile on your face. This is fun shit, huh? We need to find a place to live, Calvin. Gotta set up camp. I don't want to set it up on the beach. Need to find a good place with lots of resources. Trees, stones, sticks. Let's see if we can jump this river. Alright, God, we just got a few more things we want to grab and then we'll go. The hell you go? Jesus. There's a cave over here. I believe this is where we'll find the reed breather, which is one of the. Actually, we need to get it first, but you know, we're not quite ready for cave dwelling yet. There's a few things over here, I believe. Did I get the can opener? Do not have the can opener. There is one over here, I believe. My memory serves me correct. It's been a while since I played, guys. At least right when 1.0 first dropped the update on this game, I played it. And I put quite a few hours in, man. I made some pretty cool bases. I beat the game. It's fun, man. It's a fun game. There it is. Can opener, nice. And I'm full up on sodas. Alright. While we're down here, if we can find one more turtle. I've got 2 shells. We can carry 3. What do we got? Oh. Okay. Uh-huh. Oh. These are our guys. Uh-huh. So that's recent. Hey, get off him. A skull on your face, too. Huh. Feathers, need them. More feathers. Use these, make some arrows with. Alright. Little seagull meat. Alright, Goblin, let's go, man. Let's go find a place to build or start building, because we do have resources. Come on, Slowpoke, let's go. I'm not waiting for him. What am I stuck? Where is he? I don't know. See the smoke up there? That's a cannibal camp. We want to try to stay away from that, at least for now. road. Huh. Okay. If we get up here, the road's right up here. We can make it without hitting 8,000 trees. Can't believe it. That poor Kelvin running after me. Well, we went the wrong way. All right, Calvin, get in, buddy. Come on, pal. Get in. Ah, there's a local. Oh, we're going through a camp. Sorry, pal. See ya. Just passing through. Just passing through. Well. There's nobody here. That's gross. Oh, take it. It's definitely a cannibal camp, man. I don't know where they're at. Probably out patrolling. I'm gonna raid it real fast. And they got a mutant tied up over there. That's nice. We'll leave him alone. God damn, man, those flies are everywhere. Place stinks. Ugh. Pick up the skulls? Alright, Calvin, let's go, buddy. We're going on foot. We're going on foot. Oh, shit. What did you got? Is that a fucking motorboat? Yeah. Okay. Calvin, leave him alone, buddy. Oh, shit. He's chasing us. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. All right. Oh, fuck. He's fast. Spear? For now? Is he gonna leave us alone? Calvin, where'd you go? Shit, man, he took off. There he is. Come on, man, let's get out of here, dude. What the? Oh, okay. Oh, there's a whole clan of you guys. Man, you're dirty. Oh. All right. Okay, man, we definitely need to find a spot. Yeah, I know. Let's run. Let's go. Let's get the hell out of here. Let's see. Where do I want to go? I'm pretty sure I saw somebody jump into the tree. Ciao, Calvin. Let's go. There's a lot of action over here, man. This is not the place to be. Oh. A cloth. Another skull. Money. I don't know what I'm going to need that for. I have plenty of rope. What can I do? You know what? I don't leave this rope behind, so let's see what we can make here. Sticks, tape, rope. good. Let's go with a stick, a stone, and a rope. Okay, repair tool. Let's see here. Have any bones? Not yet. Well, we used 2 up, so. Oh. We'll pick that up. All right. Yes. Any more bones? Not a bad little spot. All right, come on, man. Let's go. Let's head over to a water source over here somewhere. Alright, so the objective is now find a spot to call home. We get Kelvin started on gathering resources. What's this? Alright, I've got some water down here. Let's go check it out. This is a nice flat area. No, don't mind it. Where's the running water side at though? Okay. Cannibal camp right over there. Lots of stone. Nice big flat open area. You know what? This might be the spot. I think the trees. A lot of activity though. But you know what? I don't care. Come on, Calvin. Let's look at this side over here. This is probably going to be the spot. Look at all. Yeah, we got lots of stone to work with here. Yeah. We're looking on this side. Shit. Sorry about jump over you. Even here. Alright guys, I'm going to find a spot and then I'll get back. Let me find the exact spot. This is going to be the area, I think. I just don't know exactly where yet. Up here. Yep. It's going to be over here in this open area. Why not? Yeah. Dude, get in there. You need a bath, man. You stink. Jeez. Come on, Calvin. Let's go. I'm going to keep calling him Calvin. I know his name's Calvin. All right, man. We're setting up tent right here. Right here, buddy. All right, let's get your fire going. Where do we want it? This looks like a good spot. So you guys know I do have building animations off. It's one of the perks you can change up after you've beaten the game. So that's what I did. Let's put this away. All right, man. There you go. It's been a long day, kind of. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. This is what I meant to do. Cook this up. Cook up some meat there. What do you think, Calvin? Cook up some meat. Build you a bench. Put it about right here for right now. Ah, shit. Just stay over there. I'll leave you alone. You leave me alone. No. Alright, let's cut a tree down. Just ignore him. Go. Gee, what are you doing, man? Sorry about that. I know, man. Look out, dude. Jesus. Yeah, dumbass. Come on. Fucking A. Yeah, he's pissed. Oh, Kel's gonna be pissed off at me for a little while. Alright, let's get on our building work here. Yeah, stop looking at it. Come on. Alright. Bench. Oh, you back? Let's put it about right there. That's a good spot for you, right? You can sit down right there. Right? Really? Did I burn the meat? I hope not, man. Cooked meat. Good. Just put a little wood pile, I don't know, somewhere. Right here. Damn, man, we got a lot of fucking wood out of that tree. Alright, well. It's time. To build a couple log racks. That looks good. All right, Calvin, come here, buddy. I know you're pissed. Finish structure. There you go. You got that? All right. I'm gonna help. Yeah, you do the rest. Matter of fact. Well, all right, guys. I think I'm going to call it here for this episode. We know where we're at. We got plenty of resources. We got Calvin going. This is going to be the spot where we build this massive, epic, I don't know, maybe not massive, but something. And I think next episode, we're definitely going to go after the rebreather. And definitely need the rope gun, especially in this area. The trees are going to be a little far away from where we're building. But all right, till next time, we're going to call it here. Have a good one.